Hey everyone, our sublimation competition is in full swing and we've already got a lot of entries that have come in and they're looking absolutely superb. So we've already gone ahead and put some of our entries on frames just like this one. And basically what you're going to need to do when you're here at AM is if you see one that you really like, maybe it's this one, you're going to go to the bottom here and all you need to do is go ahead and sign it, and that's it. And we still have a few that we need to go ahead and put on a frame all over here. They're looking really good and we're going to put it on a frame just like this one. And our job is to go ahead and put your entries on these frames. So your job is just to go ahead and enter. And you've got so much time to do so. So why haven't you done it yet? Please go ahead, enter into this competition because it is really worth it.